everyone, how are y'all doing today? We decided to come out in the lake bottom and do a little Bigfoot hunting or whatever, cricket, whatever we hear. We're doing a little bit of fishing, and what better time to just kill two birds with one stone. He down there, got his rod in. I got a bite, that was about it. All these bugs at thermocell ain't helping, huh? But we just gonna do some night walking and see if we see or hear anything in these woods out here. Let's block this away. Maybe we'll see some tracks in all this sand. Worth a shot. Try to situate my light. I forgot my handheld, so I'm holding my GoPro on my fingers. Bigfoot Forest ain't far from here, and we've heard a lot out in there at night. He's gonna stay back there, and I'm gonna do my thing over here. He's gonna listen. I don't like the wild dog issues, but we're on the lake, so if there's anything out here, this is where it'll be, near this water. Let me see. These bugs are serious, y'all. Maybe we'll hear something, maybe we don't, you know. I ain't crazy about going up in these trees, but cause I'll be out of his sight. And he's way back yonder. If y'all see anything, let me know. Bugs are terrible. I want to catch something out here, but like everybody else, you don't know what'll happen when you do. I'm way away from him. Lord have mercy. Bugs. And start working my way back towards him. Maybe nothing to drag my fishing pole off. I don't know if y'all can see him. Well, they cut the light out. See if I see any tracks anywhere. That's the lake out there. Y'all like these videos, y'all like, share, subscribe. I hope I don't find a gator up on the bank. That'd be worse. Let me get on the creek and follow it down. Go that way and get up on the creek. Alright, we're finna get to the... this is the scariest part for me because I don't know what's laying up in these woods. Something. I don't know if that's eye shine, y'all see it? Or a tin can. I can't tell. We're gonna get in the woods by the creek. And watch for snakes too. I'm up in it now, y'all. And he's way back there. I didn't even bring a knife. I don't know what that might be. What is that? Might be some kind of reflector. I hope y'all can hear me. I'm trying to talk lower. Look up in the trees a little bit. There's another little road going after that, but he's too far away. Water's running a little. I got covered down there. Alright, y'all. I think I'm going to end it here. If y'all saw anything, let me know. I heard some faint noises, but I couldn't tell where they were coming from or anything. If they was, they're too far off. And I'm not going to do any whoops or yelps tonight because we want to fish. We don't want no coyotes on top of us. Alright, y'all like this video. Y'all like, share, subscribe. Have a great day.